Nutrition Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Animal nutrition. The food given to farm animals is generally known as livestock feed or simple feed, and it can be classified into basal or energy, or also called carbohydrate concentrate, protein concentrate, mineral/vitamin supplements, and then roughages. The carbohydrate concentrate, like I said earlier on, can also be called basal feed or energy feed. A concentrate is the feed that has crude fiber content less than 18%. Basal feed refers to the feed that are very high in energy or a starchy food, example, maize, cassava, etc. It is high in carbohydrates or fats. It is low in protein. It is low in fiber. Basal feed is highly digestible. It is low in minerals. Protein concentrate. Protein concentrate is also a type of feed that has crude fiber content less than 18%. Protein concentrate is high in protein. They are low in carbohydrates and fats. They are low in fiber. They are highly digestible. They are low in minerals. Minerals/vitamin supplements. They are required in small quantities in feed. They supplement basal and protein concentrates. They are low in energy. They are low in protein. They are low in fiber. They are high in vitamins and minerals. They are necessary for growth and development. They largely aid food digestion. They largely aid resistance to diseases. They include minerals, vitamins, and essential amino acids. Now, roughages. Roughages are feeds that have crude fiber content more than 18%. They are high in fiber. They are low in digestible carbohydrates. They are low in protein. They have poor or low digestibility. Pasture plants such as grasses and legumes form the roughages. Roughages exist in different forms such as hay, straw, silage, and silage. What is hay? Hay refers to the aerial part of a young and succulent grass or herbage cut and dried for feeding animals. It is a cheap source of food for ruminant animals during the dry season where green grasses are not easily available. Its nutritive value is higher than straw. Straw refers to the aerial part of grass or harvested crops cut and stored for future use. Straw is difficult to digest because the plants are cut after the crops have been harvested. The remains of the plants are then cut, dried, and fed to farm animals during dry season. It serves just to keep the animal alive. Silage. Silage and silage are forms of straw. This silage refers to the process of cutting fresh or succulent grasses and legumes from the field and taking them to the animals in their pens. They have high moisture content and high nutrients. Silage is also referred to as zero grazing because animals are not allowed to go out to feed on the grasses, but the grasses are cut and sent to the animals in their pens. Silage refers to the preservation of green and succulent forage crops under anaerobic conditions. Now we'll look into the food nutrients of livestock. There are 6 classes of food nutrients, which are carbohydrates, protein, fats and oil, minerals, vitamin, and water. The minerals. We have the calcium, which is sourced from bone meal, oyster shell, limestone, milk, rock calcium phosphate. And the functions of the mineral calcium is the bone and teeth formation, egg shell formation, and blood clotting. Deficiency symptoms of calcium are rickets, osteomalacia, soft eggshell, and retarded growth. Phosphorus. Sources of phosphorus includes bone meal, dicalcium phosphate, and fish meal. Functions of phosphorus: bone and teeth formation, acid-base balance, eggshell formation. Deficiency symptoms: ricket, lack of appetite, osteomalacia. Magnesium. Sources of magnesium are salt lick, wheat germs, forage, and grasses. Functions: aids functioning of the nervous system, activation of enzymes. Deficiency symptoms of magnesium: hyperirritability, nervous disorder called tetany. Sodium and chlorine. Sources of sodium and chlorine: common salt, salt lick, and fish meal. Functions: regulates acid-base balance, maintenance of osmotic pressure, constituents of HCl in stomach, improves palatability of feed. Deficiency symptom: reduced growth and weight, decline in appetite. Sulfur. Sources: salt licks and fish meal. Functions of sulfur: constituents of protein and amino acid cysteine methionine. Deficiency symptoms: poor growth. Iron. Sources of iron: yeast, iron injection, salt licks. Functions: constituent of hemoglobin in red blood cells, constituent of protein called myoglobin. Deficiency symptoms: anemia, example baby pig anemia of piglets. Iodine, cobalt. Sources: iodized salts, fish milk, salt licks. Functions: constituent of hormone called tyrosine, constituent of vitamin B12, activates some enzymes. Deficiency symptoms: goiter, general malnutrition. Copper. Sources of copper: salt licks. Functions: aids formation of hemoglobin and iron absorption. Deficiency symptom: anemia. Fluorine. Sources of fluorine: salt licks, fluorinated water. Functions: prevents tooth decay. Deficiency symptom: tooth decay. Vitamins: vitamin A, retinol. Sources: fish meal, grasses, yellow maize. Functions: proper eyesight, epithelial cell formation, aids reproduction. Deficiency symptom: night blindness. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Sources: grasses, vegetables and fruits. Functions: formation of connective tissues, bone and dentin. Deficiency symptoms: scurvy. Vitamin D, calciferol. Sources: bone meal, fish meal, and sunlight. Functions: aids bone and teeth formation, eggshell formation. Deficiency symptoms: ricket, osteomalacia, soft egg shell. Vitamin E, ergosterol. Sources: vegetables, grasses, synthetic vitamin E. Functions: aids reproduction as an antioxidant. Deficiency symptoms: reproductive failure like sterility and premature abortions. Vitamin K, phylloquinone. Sources: fish meals and vegetables. Functions: aids blood clotting, prothrombin formation. Deficiency symptoms: hemorrhages. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Sources: yeast, cereals, green plants. Functions: coenzymes in energy metabolism. Deficiency symptom: poor appetite and beriberi. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Sources: green herbage and milk products. Functions: coenzyme in protein and fat metabolism. Deficiency symptom: slow growth and dermatitis. Vitamin B3, niacin. Sources: yeast, cereals, and grasses. Functions: carbohydrate oxidation. Deficiency symptom: pellagra, that is reddish tongue. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Sources: fish meal, milk products. Functions: as coenzyme in several biochemical reactions. Red blood cell formation. Deficiency symptoms: pernicious anemia. A diet is defined as the amount of feed regularly given to or consumed by an animal. Ration is the total supply of feed given to an animal in a 24-hour period. Balanced ration is the feed containing all essential nutrients in the correct quantity and in adequate proportion for feeding animals. Types of ration include maintenance ration and production ration. The maintenance ration is a type of ration given to farm animals just to maintain normal functioning of the body system. In other words, maintenance ration supplies enough nutrients just to enable the animal carry on the normal body activities without losing or gaining weight. The ration enables the animal to maintain its body weight, but it cannot be used for production purposes. Examples of maintenance ration include the ration given to ruminant animals like straw, hay during dry season. Maintenance ration can be supplied to breeding animals when they are not breeding. It can also be supplied to dry or non-lactating animals when they are not lactating. Production ration. This is a type of ration given to farm animals to enable them produce. In other words, production ration supplies nutrients above what is required for maintenance in order to make the animal capable of high production, which can be in form of milk, meat, egg, growth, etc. Categories of farm animals that require production ration include lactation animals, weaning animals, pregnant animals, fattening animals, broilers, layers, steaming up or flushing. Malnutrition in farm animals. Malnutrition results when an animal takes insufficient food or it eats diet which is deficient in one or more nutrients like protein, vitamins, carbohydrates, and minerals. This eventually results in nutritional diseases. Malnutritional diseases, causes, symptoms, and corrections can be seen on the screen. We have the rickets and osteomalacia. The causes are lack of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. Symptom: flexible and curved bones, soft shell of eggs. Correction: add fish meal, bone or oyster shell to feed. Paralysis. Causes: lack of chlorine, folic acid, calcium, phosphorus in diet. Symptom: chicken lie down on their nails. Correction: add vitamin B complex and bone meal. Now we have the milk fever. The causes is low blood sugar. Symptom: loss of appetite, constipation, and nervousness. Correction: feed oyster shell or bone meal and carbohydrates. We have the scurvy. It is caused by lack of vitamin C. Symptom: lesion around the connective tissues. Correction: feed vegetable and fruits to animals.